Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your own animated video WhatsApp stickers as quick as possible, and I will show you this in this video. Alright, first of all we need to click on the sticker icon, and from here we click on create. Now you need to have the video that you want that you need to create a sticker with in your library. So let's say I want to create a sticker of my keyboard like this. Now what we need to do is trim your video, so the piece that you want to use, and after that click on next. Then select the piece of the video that you want to use for your sticker, because this white piece is exactly the place that you can use for a sticker. So this is what I want to use, and right now we can also write something in it if you want to. I don't like that. So we do delete or undo and then do done, or we can write something in it, and the writing option is something nice. So let's say hello, and if we place this here under in the sticker and we do now the yellow arrow, he is preparing to creating this sticker, and when he is creating the sticker he sent it immediately in this chat. And right now, if you can see, we just created an animated video on WhatsApp by just using WhatsApp. It's that easy, guys. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then from now, thanks for watching.